Performance standard for ICDIS. Operational and functional requirements, route planning, monitoring, and voyage recording. Overview of IMO standards. The International Maritime Organization or IMO established performance standard for ICDIS to enhance safety of navigation. These standards define minimum function and operational requirements, ensuring ICDIS can provide reliable and accurate navigation information, support safe voyage planning, and route planning. ICDIS enables mariners to prepare a safe and efficient voyage plan before departure, create and edit route directly on electronic navigational chart or ENC, evaluate alternative routes considering depth, hazard, and regulations. Check safety margins automatically. Alert for shallow water or restricted areas. Integrate tidal current. Route monitoring. Once the voyage begins, ICDIS continuously supports safe navigation. Display the vessel real-time position relative to the planned route. Issues visual and audible alarms for deviation, shallow water, or hazard. Integrates GPS, EIS, and radar overlays to give situational awareness. Provide predictive function to warn of danger. Voyage recording and data storage. ICDIS is also required to maintain an accurate record of the voyage. Log vessel position, speed, and time automatically. Record alarms, warnings, and user action for accountability. Provide playback features for post-voyage analysis and training. Conclusion. The IMO performance standards for ICDIS ensures that the system is not just a navigational tool but a comprehensive platform for safe and efficient maritime operation by covering route planning and route monitoring. Salted.